Kuble pi baro ngi pedang snob hai pi shikatup kubor menta ka janmit shwaban pai shiki kubor ki babnya ini pechwai ki mat bakongsan. One poi ka ling swing ban riu hapok operation dose ha Turkey. Penbena ka Kongres ikatup kisan pular ban penlong 5-star state ka Meghalaya. Pelat ka kertong TMC na North Shillong kong LGV Rinja ya kamat trekam. Bat ujor ijahar u kertong VPP uba Adelbert Nongrum bapendan kam bakla ya pisa COVID. Ki khubor ki babnya Kaling sun ban riu jong ka India hapok operation dose hine ka sngi kala poi ha ka jaka ba shalin shop juma ha Turkey. Hakaran san lat pathai Menteri Ketenat Kambari u Dr. S.J. Sankar ulaong balapan kre shu ikikin hon yarap kikin hon je kiksaw yarap kitiar don kam dawai dashin ba kitiar sumar ban pha kumshi benta jong kilat jing yarap ka India kalapan kre ru ya ka jaka Sumar Field Hospital ha hatai ban ai jong sumar kito ki badan kam ya ka jing yarap bakarki Nakaliang ketenat ki Kambari ke Sarkar Pedeng kelayathu bakate ka jaka sumar kandon live outli ki jing thia haringkat ki tiar sumar bakan thop ya ka operation theater core x-ray barki core banyarap ringmen sim habas dang ya ka jingelap election hapok ka jilla da ka phang man penlong ya ka Meghalaya kum ka 5-star state ka Congress hene ka sngi ka pen bana ya ka thop ki kular san kular ban poisha ka ni ka thong Ukli no yalam ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent Pala haringkat ka jingadan lang u AICC General Secretary in charge u Manish Chatrat ula pelat ya ka thup kisan kular ha ka jinga kendo berkilat pathai khubor kabla long ha office rekam ka seng ha shlong haba ajin kran ha ka sngi uba Pala ula ong ba ka jinga pisa ka ba lai hajar man ubnai bat ban pha shekilong kmi ba marwei na kilong yeng ba hap hapo kilan jingkurdo kumjo ki bakit khia marwei laki khon kikti kalong kamat ka bahakmat na ka benta ka thup kisan kular na ba kanie kan pinkup bore ki kan thei da ka bayarap kershan pisa ya ki kumju ban pinya ya ka yeng kasem kat kum ka jinge thu jung u ba ka lai hajar tingka ha ka shibnai ka ta lai phur hinriu hajar ha ka shisnem kan yarap ki kan thei ban siu ka bai school ka jongki khun ki ti ki jongki bat ban te la kam ya ka jingkiu ka dor ka mur
per month for a single mother within the BPL. Number 2 is that unemployment free, as I have stated. Number 4 is that corruption free. We have seen the corruption level is very high, as I have stated. Number 4 is power cut free, where we will develop and generate employment also in the power sector. And the last is the drug free Meghalaya.
Kakertong ka Trinamool Congress TMC na North Shillong ka kong LGV Gwinet Rinja. Hinin ka sngi ka palat ya ka matrekam policy statement read manifesto nagabenta ka constituency ka jongka. Kani ka dikasian ka baningkong baka Rishimet ha Meghalaya ka bayukon ka election ka lapanmi ya ka bakum kani ka matrekam. Ka kong Rinja ka laong ba kalami syakmat baka te ka matrekam man pensngaw ya ka thong jongka nagabenta ka constituency syaki nong thep vote. Kalaban rap bakani ka longkum ka jing manjur ha ka rukom ka jing tho ha pedeng jongka bat kinong shongshnong ka constituency kalakura ru ban penyang ye ka skill enhancement training center ban kentiu ye kalat wat kam wat jam na ka benta ki samla
ka robust civic amenities for resident nibo the quick kanya ka quick kaday ka quick uptake for issues and concern kiosk ka jingmot kanya kaday every respected areas barokhat ki area barokhat ki shlong hanot shlong kindon laki jongki office na kalyang ka Trinamool Congress 17 North Shillong kanang da pidon kanu ka problem kanu ka jing ka bapimat kini ki office ki jongi kin shim ya ki problems ki jongpi
Ukertong ka seng Voice of People's Party na North Shillong uba Adelbert Nongrum menta kasngi ula ujor ijahar hasodar police station hakabayade ba kapisa ka basaw hulai klor tingka kablakam bakam don jing hen satya naka shispa khat khandai klor tingka kabalayo pediang naka jing ajing rap da ka sarkar pedeng lingba ka National Health Mission ban khmi e ga jinglong jingman jaka klam covid khat khandai balapen sngo dangshan da way neki no wat RTI uba dispersing rani Habakren bakilat pathai kubor uba Adelbert ulaong bakaladan ka jingtmu pendan kam bakla ya kapisa balamang de ka sarkar pedeng lingba ka National Health Mission da ka bapen kan mau ba menteri ka tanat kokot ka kya u James PK sangma ha ka jing ai jubab ka jang u ya ka jing kli blawan ra ha ka dor basan rai ulaong ba hnyo phun riok lotingka lamang de ka sarkar pedeng uba Adelbert ulaong ba kani ka penshisha bakadan ka jing pendan kam bakla ya kapisa ha ka bayade ba ka jing penlut pensep ha ka tukapor badan ka klam COVID. Shushu kumban shupin kan mau khendiat umentri ka tanat ka kot ka khia ha ka jing ai jubab ka jong u ulaong ba ka sarkar jala klapendut pras pa khan riok lotingka ha ka por bawanin shop ka klam.
On theft or misappropriation of public money intended for COVID-19. As a responsible citizen, I also recall the last autumn session which had put this very very same question to seek the clarification from the minister concerned. And as the minister concerned at the point of time, he did make a clarification that amount sanctioned by the central government is around 76 crore.
Ka Department of Political Science Undergraduate Senate College Mentagasngi kalapan long ye ka jing emerging mat hapdeng kiseng sign pertai ringkat kinong tap vote halor ka phang pedeng political parties agenda a public interface kabla long ha college auditorium kani ka jing emerging mat ka don ye ka jing kongsan ha ka be dei ba ka jing tap vote na ka benta ka ying dor bar thawan ha ka jala ka banlong ha ka ar phunyo tarik mentau banai kino yalam jang kiseng sign pertai ba pher kan thop ka seng BJP ka TMC ka Congress ka UDP ka HSPDP ka PDF ka kam bar ka Voice of the People's Party ha ka jing ekren ka ai ka jongki klai pen shai halor ka jing khen kongsan bar ki jing kular ki jongki shiki pat ba bat ru ya ka jalla lada ki wan ha ka bor hadien ki election ka tu ka nengut kino yalam jong kiseng sign pertai ba pher kila pen shai ru halor ka matre kam ka seng ka jongki ke election commission kala shim ye ka lat kilinti ban kan tiu ye ka jingwan ki nong thap vote ha ka ni ke election ka banwan u chief electoral officer ka jilla Meghalaya uba FR Kharkongor ulai thu ba anbu hadu shispa arphautli ki ping polling station ha po ka jilla ha ka ni ke election banwan ka ban long kum shi banta ban pinchlor ki nong thap vote na kalyang ki kan thei namar ba ka jilla ka long ka we ne ki katu ka ni ki jilla ha ka ba ki nong wa thap vote na kalyang ki kan thei ki kham bon bani ki shin rang ula ong ba kani ka sinjam ka long ban kan tiu ye ka jingdon ki nong ye shimenta na kalyang ki kan thei shu ula banrap ba khnang ban ithu bar buram ye ki berang shur dang ban thap vote ningkong ha ka jing em jongki bat ki sangut ki ba wan ningkong e ha khas nge thap vote kini ki nong thap vote ken sha ai khusnam daka takma bat ka sirnon
as well, apart from other measures that we are doing. So we have 120 all women managed polling stations. There will be the pink polling stations, and we are actively encouraging the participation of women. As you know, Meghalaya is one of the few states where the number of women electors, they outnumber the male electors. And also in terms of turnout, usually the female turnout is a bit higher than the male turnout. We'll also like to add is that the first 5 voters in a polling station, they will be given medals. Yes, they'll be given medals. In fact, the first time voter will be given these medals.
Mendapat ngini pej ke jinglong jingman kasing beneng hasilong ka jing shet ka long khan rio point iwe degree celsius bar ka jing kret ka long henyo point san degree celsius ka jing ngam ka hau ka long rio point nyo nak shis pa men step bat prapu pra nak shis pa janmet kala bandan ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala hakikat tu ka ni ki jaka sashi sien pat ni pen kan mau yapi bayi ka ni ko khubor jungi pila ruban pej ha ka jo ka por hi ha YouTube channel badru phila ban page ki khubor ba mala kasngi ha ka Facebook ka Twitter bar ka Instagram jong ka DD news chilong shwa ban poi shi ka bakut jong ka thup khubor nge ni page bang sai shi sen ni ki mat ba kong san one poi ka link swing ban riu ha pok operation do sa Turkey pinbana ka Congress ya ka thup ki sankular ban penlong 5-star state ka Meghalaya like ka kutong TMC na North Shillong kong LGVia Rinja ega matrikam bat ujor ijahar ukirtong DPP uba Adelbert nongrum bapindang kambaklay ka pisa COVID Tiparlok atung ila poi siya bakut jang kathup kubor jang imenta ka janmet hadu bangide syambyang bat pila shay kasngi kuble pi baro
अरे छुटकी